If you are looking for a hot and nutritious breakfast, then I want to introduce you to banana porridge. Hi, my name is Queen D and welcome to my channel where I show you how to cook vegan, vegetarian and healthy Caribbean food. You know, I grew up in the rural area of St. James. Back in those days, we did not have those fancy cereal like corn flakes, bran flakes, frosted flakes, not even oatmeal. We knew about porridge. We knew about peanut and banana porridge, plantain porridge, arrowroot porridge, and the most popular being cornmeal porridge. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make green banana porridge. But because I am Queen D, I am going to show you how to make my version of green banana porridge. Bananas are a great source of potassium. They are rich in fiber, some vitamins and minerals. And for people with diabetes, that is great news. Normally, when we are making green banana porridge in Jamaica, we use green bananas, of course, because you cannot make banana porridge without banana. And we use condensed milk, coconut milk, and evaporated milk. We added our spices, which are normally cinnamon and nutmeg and vanilla. But some people will add peanut to it. But today, I will be adding almonds and oats to it to make it a little bit more nutritious. You ready? Let's do this. All right, so I'm gonna catch some water in my pot, probably around 4 cups of water. But you know, we Jamaicans, we do not measure anything. But you could check the description for the recipe. I am going to bring this to a boil with some cinnamon sticks. Next, I am going to peel my bananas and cut them up into small pieces. Add it to the blender along with all the milks except the condensed milk and blend until smooth. For vegan or vegetarian options, check out the description below. So what I will be doing next is adding this mixture to the water on the stove that has been boiling with the cinnamon sticks. Now that the porridge is cooked, we are going to spice it up and sweeten it with some condensed milk. taste this to see if it is sweet enough. It needs just a little bit more sugar, but for some people this is actually pretty good. But for me, I need a little bit more sweetness to it, so I am going to add some monk fruit sweetener to this. This is a large portion, so this can serve a family for about a week. Let me taste it now since I put the sugar in it. Let me taste it like how Jamaican taste it. Perfect. Perfect. Guess what? This is done. We're done. Look at you. You have just learned how to make Queen D's banana porridge. You can enjoy this with some Excelsior water crackers or bread if you have, or guess what? If you don't want to have any extra carbs, just enjoy it with some berries, or you could just have it by itself. It is creamy, filling, delicious, and nutritious. Thank you so much for cooking with me in my kitchen today. But guess what? I want you to do something for me. Once you make this, I want you to drop me a comment and tell me how you enjoyed, how it came out. And guess what? If you have not subscribed to my channel, we are waiting for. Just go ahead and subscribe now. Thank you so much. This is Queen D signing out.